Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add end screens in YouTube Studio in just a few simple steps. From the content page in YouTube Studio, click on the video you want to edit to open its details page. Click on Editor in the left sidebar to open the video editor. The video editor loads with your video preview in the center and editing options listed below it: blur, trim, audio, and end screen. Click on End Screen from the list of editing options and an end screen menu appears with template options you can choose from. For this example, I'm selecting a template that includes a video element and a subscribe button, which you can see positioned on the video preview as draggable boxes. Once you're happy with your end screen layout, click the Save button at the top right to apply it. End screens only appear in the last 5 to 20 seconds of your video, so your video needs to be at least 25 seconds long to add one. If you need to edit or remove an end screen later, just go back to the Editor tab and click on End Screen again to make changes. You can also customize individual elements by clicking on them in the preview to adjust their position or timing. And that's how to add end screens in YouTube Studio. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.